at the back of the shelf.
Some big guns there.
And they got good hot rods. They got
Look at
3
those big old
outside,
guns.
some arms.
It's a gun show. Like that, huh? That's a good one.
Well, what's the point of having a hand cannon like that? Look at that.
It's nice. How much that Desert Eagle cost anyway? How much a gun like the Desert Eagle cost?
They start at $16.95 for the black one, $18.50, $19.50, $18, and $18.50.
I just don't see the point in having a Desert Eagle.
Man,
It's kind of.
what a big gun.
Huh?
I said, that's a big gun.
I just don't see it's overkill. 50 caliber.
But see, I'm gonna tell you something. You can shoot your meat and cook it at the same time.
Right. I believe that, man. Hell yeah.
How you doing, young lady?
Very interesting. Never seen mini shells before. Mini shotgun slugs. Look like it's a slug.